I still taste the rain from the night you left. Street lights bleeding red on the pavement. I was holding your hand like a promise I kept, but promises bend when the heart caves in.
I still wear the bruise where your shadow fell. Every heartbeat echoes a fight we lost. I told myself I'd be better in hell than begging for love at any cost.
We were lightning, we were thunder, ripping the sky right open, pulling us under. Thought we'd burn out, never surrender, but even the strongest sparks remember. We fall, we rise, we crash, we fly with unbreakable wings against the darkest sky. Tear me apart, I'll still ignite. I'm not afraid to burn tonight. These unbreakable wings,
Watch me still sing.
I built my walls from the words you threw. Every stone is a scar that grew.
But stone can crack when the fire's true. And I'm burning for you.
I painted my pain in colors you'll never see. Hung it high where the heavens meet the sea. If you look close, you'll find pieces of me still flying, still fighting, still free.
We were lightning, we were thunder, ripping the sky right open, pulling us under. Now we're rising up from the wonder, carrying scars like badges of honor.
We fall, we rise, we crash, we fly with unbreakable wings against the darkest sky. Tear me apart, I'll still ignite. I'm not afraid to burn tonight.
These unbreakable wings, watch me still sing. You can break my bones, you can blind my eyes.
You can take my name.
I'll still light the skies, 'cause every wound you gave me taught this heart to fly. We fall, we rise, we crash, we fly with unbreakable wings against the endless sky. Even in pieces we're still alive. We were born to burn tonight. These unbreakable wings, watch me still sing.
We're unbreakable. Unbreakable.
Unbreakable wings against the sky.